Today, we're learning about the hanging parrot. The hanging parrots, also known as the bat parrot, are birds native to tropical regions of South and Southeast Asia. They are small, typically 13 to 15 centimeters in length, and weighing 32 to 40 grams. They are predominantly green for camouflage, with specific variable markings of red on the forehead, throat, and rump. Males often display more vibrant colors, such as blue crown patch and red throat mark, while females are generally taller. They fly rapidly and produce high-pitched calls, often found in pairs or small noisy groups, though they can sometimes gather in larger numbers. The defining characteristics is their ability to sleep suspended upside down by one or both feet, mimicking leaves to avoid predators. They are the only parrots that sleep hanging upside down. They are nectarivorous and frugivorous birds that primarily consume nectar, fruits, flowers, seeds, and buds. They typically have a lifespan of 10 to 15 years in captivity. With proper care, diet, and environment, they may live longer. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.